Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on HOTWAV Note 15 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. And now click open. And now click on this button to skip introduction, then click open permissions and click on AI assistant. Now click here to allow this app to display over other apps and then click back. Now click back again and click not now. Then click start, and as you can see right here there's my Chat GPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.